Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I am doing a full Wheelio review. And yes, I'm sitting in a pizza blanket. All right, guys. So if you don't know what Wheelio is a integration with Shopify or a plugin or an app, if you want to call it. It's something that you can download inside your Shopify account when you go to the App Store. You just search for this right here, Wheelio. And what Wheelio actually does, it is a application that goes into your Shopify store, and after a certain amount of time, a pop-up comes up on your store and basically is a wheel, hence Wheelio, and it prompts them to spin a wheel, like a wheel of fortune. And in exchange to spin this wheel, it collects the user's email, or it can get them to subscribe to a chatbot. But in this video, I'm just going to be doing a review of this basic use of the application and how it works, and if it does work, and what the results that I had with it. But yeah, at the end of the day, the end goal of the Wheelio application is that they spin the wheel. In exchange, you collect a piece of information from the user, whether it's an email or, like I said, a subscription to the chatbot, and then you can then utilize that data to send them email marketing or whatever it is. And after they spin the wheel, just like the Wheel of Fortune, they're spinning it hoping that they win something. So you can set the wheel up where you could give away free products, or they could win a certain discount or whatever. And I'm going to show you actually the results that one of my clients has had with it. And it's actually been really good. And it's honestly, like, from my experience, this is something that if it fits the theme and fits the feel of your store, this is something that you could utilize. No affiliate link. This isn't something I'm pushing. I'm just sharing my experience with it. And it has increased sales significantly since we have integrated it into my client's platform. So after you download Wheelio, your page looks something like this. And it shows you some analytics. So this has been installed for, like, I don't know, 8 days maybe. So far, it has told me that the wheel has been seen by 940 people. So it showed up on my store 940 times. 192 emails have been collected. So when there's a pop-up that comes up, just like any pop-up, you have the option to close out of it, or you can do whatever the pop-up is prompting you to do. So 192 people actually, like, did the wheel. They spun the wheel. So that means I got 192 emails. So that's really good, because as you know, or maybe you don't know, but the money is in your list. So this plugin builds your email list. Whether these people are buying you from you or not, you're collecting that data and you're getting them to subscribe to your email list. So then you can retarget them with newsletters or other offers or new products, or whatever. So they could still potentially, you could bring them back to your website at some point. So, I mean, that alone is worth the $15 a month. I think we've used this. I think the trial is, I'm not sure how many. I think the trial is 7 days long, and it's only been installed, I think, for 8 or 9 days, and we've got 192 emails. So, I mean, if you're running Facebook ads, like, you're running Facebook ads not only to get sales, but you're trying to grow your list as well, or whatever you're trying to do. So that's pretty good. And then basically, we had a 20% conversion rate. So out of these 192 emails, 20% of people bought with their discount code that the wheel gave them. So that's pretty high. I'm going to show you how it works so it makes a little bit more sense. But overall, like, I'm pretty happy, and it's definitely worth the money and what it's doing for our platform. So basically, you come up here, you can set up your wheel, you can upload your logo, you can add some text here, your guiding text, and then you can design what you want your wheel to look like. So if any of you guys really have no idea what I'm talking about, and you just clicked on this video, but, like, literally have no idea what Wheelio looks like, this is what a Wheelio wheel looks like. I'm sure you've seen one before. But essentially, after you can set it to after 10 seconds or 5 seconds that someone clicked on your website, this thing will pop up and it'll be prompting you to spin the wheel. And so what we're offering is free stickers, 15% off, no luck today, 10% off next time. And you actually can set the wheel on the odds that the user is going to land on one of these. So the only thing that we're actually giving to our spinners is 15% off or 10% off. And 80% of the time, I have the wheel set that 80% of the time it's going to land on 10% off, and 20% of the time it's going to land on 15% off. So it's actually not landing on nothing. Someone that spins the wheel always gets something, and you can set it to whatever you want, whether you want to give a bigger discount or you want to give away free products, whatever it is that you want to do to collect their email. You can do that. So you can set the colors here. And then this is where you set up what they actually get. So we give them a coupon code. So it's for 10% off. And this is for 15% off. And so when they land on the 10% off, it just gives them a code, and then they use the code at checkout, which you set up your code here in discounts. It's really easy. It takes 2 seconds to set that up. Okay, so after they spin it and then they get the discount code, there's a countdown timer that pops up after it spins. I'll just show you. And it says that you have 20 minutes to use the discount code. So even though it kind of lasts forever, but it creates urgency. So then they are buying right then and there. So if I can just give you an example. This is an old email address. I'm going to spin the wheel. Try your luck. So it's probably going to give me 10% off. So it's going to say, hooray, you hit 10% off, lucky day. Continue and use discount. And it's copied to clipboard. And so now I have a countdown timer that's saying I have 20 minutes or else I can't use that coupon code anymore. So really effective stuff, honestly. It's only $14.99 a month, I think, for this. I mean, if you think about it, if you were doing a list building campaign with Facebook ads, it would probably cost you more than that to grow your list to 100. I mean, we're only 8 days in and we already have 193 contacts. So, I mean, this will surely grow to 500 by the end of the month. I mean, 500 people to grow our list for 500 people in just 30 days for only $14.99. That's pretty good. It's pretty cheap. So yeah, that's the basics of Wheelio, and that's how you set it up. This automatically, once you save it, it goes live. I have this synced to my Mailchimp account, right? So wherever you're hosting your email list, whether you have Klaviyo or you have Mailchimp or whatever it is, you hook it up here to your email services. In this case, we're using Mailchimp. And actually what I have going on in Mailchimp, it sends an automatic email if they don't use their 10 or 15% off discount code and they spun the wheel and they don't buy anything after 1 hour. I actually have it set up where it sends them another offer for 25% off, and only the people that don't buy get that email that spun the wheel. So that's something that you can set up in your autoresponder if you have one. If that's a little bit too advanced for you, just setting this up and starting collecting emails in the beginning at all, that's good too. So yeah, it's pretty effective. Trying to look at any other analytics projected after spin. So I guess 21 people, after I spun and gave them a discount code, they didn't copy it to clipboard. So they might've still used the discount code, but they just didn't copy it. So, but 21% of the people have bought. So, I mean, we've been getting a lot of new sales in. Our sales have definitely been going up because of this. So yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, you want to grow your list to as many people as possible, because as you know, the fortune is in the follow-up, the fortune is in your list. So the rule of thumb is basically if you have 1,000 people in your list, then you should at least be making $1,000 a month just for the people that exist in your list. If you have 20,000 people on your email list, then you should at least be making $20,000 a month just from the people that exist inside your email list if you're doing email marketing correctly. So you definitely should consider this as an application or integration for your website. Again, you're just going to go to the App Store and you're going to download it and you can try it out. I think it's 7 days of free trial, but I'm pretty happy with it. My client's really happy with it. We do a lot of stuff with chatbots as well, and there's definitely a way that you can set this up where they get to subscribe to a chatbot. We don't have it set up like that because I think you have to get another integration that also costs money, so we didn't do that. But I mean, email is great as well. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below, and I'll talk to you soon.